In today's Feel Better in 1 Minute video, we are going to be working on strength and flexibility of hip rotators. Super important. If anybody has any back pain, you probably have stiff, weak hip rotators. So we want to work on those today. Watch this. I'm sitting up high enough so that my legs are dangling. So find a place where you can sit where your legs are dangling, and you are going to take something like, let's say a rolled towel roll that I just so happen to have here. You're going to put in between your knees and you're going to hold it there. Now, if you have big legs, the towel roll might not be enough. You might have to double it and make it thicker, and that's okay. Oh, that's better. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to bring both of your feet away from each other, away from each other, away from each other, and we're doing it right now. Right now, notice how little you might move. That's okay. You are engaging those muscles that you hardly ever use. You might notice that your left foot goes out further than your right foot, or vice versa. Or you feel like you're barely moving those feet apart at all. It's important that you keep something between your knees to keep your hips in good alignment. And when you do this for a minute, you think to yourself, initially, boy, this isn't doing anything. It really is. This is going to help your low back. This is going to help your hips. This is going to help you get out of a chair better. You're using muscles right now that you have not used in a very long time. Keep it up. You're almost done. And that is 1 minute to feel better. And you did it.